Hey guys, it's Tours and Play. Today we are going to be showing you the Peppa Pig Treehouse playset. Today we have Peppa and George, but today Peppa will be helping us with this tour. So let's begin.
Hey everyone, it's Peppa, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my treehouse. Let's start over here. Over here I've got my nice blue snack table, and there's 2 benches so me and my brother can enjoy a snack. Right now we're just having some sausage and cheese. If you move over here, I've got my seesaw, and I can just sit on it and I'll go up and down with my friends. Then over here I've got my black tire swing, and I'll just sit here and then I can swing. Now it's time for the main part, which is going up to my treehouse. To get up there, I've got a lift, and all I have to do to get it down is just twist this branch. And then I'll just sit and hold on tight so that I don't fall. And then just twist the branch again. And then I can just go onto my treehouse. Over here I've got 2 green doors and I've got a lock. So I'll just open the lock. And inside my treehouse I've got lots and lots of room for me to play with. And when I want to leave, then I can just close the doors and then just lock it up. And then I'll just slide down.
So guys, we'll just be showing you the back of the playset now. So you can see the red roof, the big window. Also, this branch moves, so you can literally just move it about if you want. Yeah.
So guys, this playset you can connect with other ones. So if you've got another Peppa Pig playset, then you can just connect it here, or you can connect it right over here.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, bye.